Once upon a time in the lively world of Shapeville, all the different shapes gathered to celebrate their uniqueness. Each shape had their own special characteristics that made them important. First, there was Circle. Circle was perfectly round and loved to roll around in the green grass of Shapeville. Circle reminded everyone of cookies and wheels and brought joy wherever it went. Next was Square, with 4 equal sides and 4 equal corners. Square was excellent at creating neat and tidy spaces. It often reminded its friends of presents and window panes. Triangle proudly showed off its 3 straight sides. It liked to balance perfectly on its point and reminded everyone of mountains and delicious slices of pizza. Rectangle stood tall and strong with 2 pairs of equal sides. It was like an elongated square and was known for making fantastic doorways and flags. Oval was like Circle but stretched gently at both ends. Oval loved to talk about how it was like juicy eggs and balloons floating lightly. Diamond, also called Rhombus, sparkled uniquely. With 4 equal sides, it loved to shine like the gemstones everyone loved. Pentagon, with its 5 spectacular sides, stood proud like a home plate in a baseball field or the fanciest castle's roof. Hexagon was quite the busy bee with 6 sides, often seen hanging out around the honeycombs or on the soccer ball fields. Octagon, with its 8 sides, always reminded everyone of stop signs on the street, making sure everyone knew when to take a pause. Star loved to twinkle and shimmer with its pointed tips. It would tell tales of starry nights and magical shows in the sky. Heart shaped life with its unique curves. Always in the corner, spreading love and reminding one of delightful Valentine's cards and candies. Crescent, with its magical arc, often whispered stories of the moon and night sky, charming everyone with mystery and dreams. Parallelogram, with its slanted sides, was fun and interesting, reminding everyone of racing tracks and the shapes of sails on boats. Trapezoid, or trapezium for some, with 2 parallel sides and 2 non-parallel sides, created exciting slides and bridge designs every day. Cylinder stood tall, showcasing its rounded body, like soda cans and tunnels that seemed endless and fun.
Let's go on a shape adventure. Come along with me. We'll learn about shapes. Oh, what fun it will be. First up is a circle round like the sun. Roll it, spin it. Oh, it's so much fun. Shapes, let's shout hooray. Round and square, they're here to play. From triangles to stars, let's sing out loud. Learning our shapes makes us proud. Next is a square with 4 sides, so neat. Then comes a triangle, pointy and sweet. A rectangle's long and an oval so fine. Shapes are all around us, let's make them shine. Shapes, let's shout hooray. Round and square, they're here to play. From triangles to stars, let's sing out loud. Learning our shapes makes us proud. Now here's a diamond shining bright like a star. A pentagon has 5 sides, let's count them all. A hexagon has 6 like a honeycomb. An octagon has 8, it feels like home. Shapes, let's shout hooray. Round and square, they're here to play. From triangles to stars, let's sing out loud. Learning our shapes makes us proud. A star shines bright with points that extend. A heart is for love, a shape that's a friend. A crescent moon glows, a parallelogram sways. A trapezoid's funky in so many ways. Shapes, let's shout hooray. Round and square, they're here to play. From triangles to stars, let's sing out loud. Learning that shapes make us proud. Left is a cylinder, tall and so neat. Like a can or a tube, it's a fun little treat. So let's keep on dancing, let's keep having fun. With shapes all around us, we've only just begun. Shapes, shapes, watch out, hooray! Round and square, they're where to play. From triangles to stars, let's sing out loud. Learning what gates makes us proud.